welcome to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. Today we're going to be continuing our conversation about nouns. Remember, a noun names a person, a place, or a thing. Nouns can be singular or they can be plural. A singular noun names one thing, like a girl, a boy, a truck, a car. When we want to make a singular noun plural, usually we add an S. Boys, toys, cars. But sometimes when a noun ends in a special letter or letters, we have to change the word completely to make it plural. Let's look at some examples of that. Most nouns ending in the letter S, X, Z, CH, and SH, you need to add an ES to make them plural. So box, since it ends in an X, will need to have ES added in order to make it plural. A word like a church that ends in a CH will need ES to make that plural. Alright, nouns that end in consonants and a Y, you change the Y to an I and then add ES. So the word city, C-I-T-Y, you need to change the Y to an I and then add ES to make it plural. If the noun ends in a Y and a vowel, like boy, C-O-Y, then you would just put an S onto the word, okay? If the noun ends in F or F-E, you change that to a V and then add ES. So a knife, K-N-I-F-E, would become knives. You would change this and put the V-E-S to make it plural. If it ends in O, you're either going to add ES or S. O is kind of tricky and it depends on the word itself. The word tomato ends in an O and you add ES to make it plural. Whereas photo also ends in an O, but you only add S. Then we have some irregular nouns where the word completely changes form, like man becomes men, or child becomes children, tooth becomes teeth. And finally, some words are unchanged completely. For example, a deer is singular, but deer is also plural. Sheep is singular, and sheep is also plural. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next one.